In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Sora 2 app safely. Having the app on your device allows you to enjoy its features and benefits securely. We'll ensure that you follow the correct steps to download it without encountering any issues. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. Most people use browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, but feel free to use whichever one you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Sora 2 website. It's important to make sure you use the official link to avoid any potential security risks. So go to https openai.com/index/Sora2. This URL will lead you directly to the page where you can initiate the app download safely. When you enter the URL, it will automatically redirect you to a secure page on the App Store that corresponds to your device. If you're on an Apple device, you'll be taken to the Apple App Store, while Android users will be directed to the Google Play Store. This redirection is a security feature to ensure that you're downloading the app from a legitimate source, thus minimizing the risk of downloading a fraudulent version of the app. Once you are on the App Store page, you'll usually see a prominent button to download or install the app. On Google Play, this button is typically green and simply says Install, while on the Apple App Store, it appears as a blue button labeled Get. Simply click on the button and the download process will start automatically. As the app begins downloading, it's a good idea to connect your device to a stable Wi-Fi network, especially if you're concerned about data usage or if your internet connection is spotty. A solid connection will help ensure that the app downloads quickly and without interruption. After the download has finished, your device will likely install the app automatically. Depending on your device settings, you may see a pop-up asking for permissions related to the Sora 2 app. These permissions could include access to your device's camera, microphone, or storage. It's crucial to read these carefully and only accept permissions that are absolutely necessary for the app's main functions. Once you have installed the app and accepted the necessary permissions, you can open it and begin exploring its features. I recommend checking out any tutorial or getting started guide that the app provides, as this can give you a solid grounding in how Sora 2 works and how you can make the most of its functionality. That's it. You've now downloaded the Sora 2 app safely and are all set to enjoy what it has to offer. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Sora 2.